What's the meaning of astrologer? Astrologer. Astrologer.
Astrologer. Astrologer. An astrologer is someone who studies the positions and movements of celestial bodies, such as the stars and planets, and uses this knowledge to provide insight into human affairs and natural phenomena. Astrologers believe that the positions of these celestial bodies can influence and reveal information about an individual's personality, relationships, and future events. They analyze horoscopes and other astrological charts to make predictions and give advice to clients. The practice of astrology dates back to ancient times and remains popular in some cultures today.